In this video, you will find out how to perform a portioner calibration on the WMF 950S. We recommend that you carry out a portioner calibration after initial startup, after changing a bean type, and once a year. The calibration determines the output of the grinder. This ensures that the value set in the beverage recipe matches the actual powder quantity ejected. The coffee measuring spoon included in the accessories, a jug for collecting ground coffee, and a scale are required for the portioner calibration. Make sure that there are enough beans in the hopper. Open the system menu and select Portioner Calibration. Insert the coffee measuring spoon into the manual insert chute by removing the lid. To start the portioner calibration, you must now press the Grind button. Then remove the coffee measuring spoon and dispose of the powder it contains. Replace the coffee measuring spoon and carry out the procedure again by pressing the Grind button. Dispose of the ground coffee once again. Now all the precautions have been taken and the actual calibration can be carried out. Insert the coffee measuring spoon into the manual insert chute again and press the Grind button again. In the meantime, you can place the prepared jug on the scale and reset the weight to 0 by pressing the Tare button. Now remove the coffee measuring spoon and collect the ground coffee in the prepared jug. Follow the instructions on the display. The process is repeated 2 more times. Then weigh all the ground coffee from the last 3 grinding processes, enter it in the field provided, and confirm with OK. The portioner calibration has now been carried out successfully. Your WMF 950S is now again available for use.